Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Afghanistan elementary class. This is your teacher Zohra Ahmad and it's your book Select Reading second edition. It's an Oxford book. As you see here is the details about the book. These are the teachers who published this book. And this is the table of content. As you see, we have 14 chapters on this book and every chapter has its own things. This is the table of content, and if you see, every individual chapter has its own content, reading skills and vocabulary skills. So in reading skills, you see two new skills you can learn from this chapter, and the vocabulary skills has understanding synonyms. And if you see in every individual chapter, there are new things for you guys to learn. These are the overviews about this book, and these are the suggestions about this book. Okay, so welcome you all, and this is our first chapter of this book. So as you see in the picture, they are playing a sport. So you can guess that what sport is this. The most popular sports in the world. This is our first chapter, and let's see what do we have in chapter focus. So in chapter focus, we have content. What are the most popular sports in the world? This is our content for our first chapter. And in reading skills, we have two new skills. The first one is scanning, and the second one is taking notes. In vocabulary skills, we will know the understanding of synonyms, that what are the synonyms and what is the usage of synonym. Okay, so before you read, study the picture and answer the question below. Vocabulary preview. As you see in the picture, we have 5 sports, and basically it's the most popular sports in the world. Number 1 is cricket, number 2 is field hockey, number 3 is football, number 4 is tennis, number 5 is volleyball. And I think you all know the 5 sports here. So let's see and read the questions. Number 1, which of sports above do you play? Which do you like to watch? Number 2, cricket is very popular in India. Many people there play or watch this sport. Is cricket popular in your country? Number 3, every sport has rules. For example, a football player can touch the ball with his or her hands. Do you know the rule of tennis? What is one rule in your favorite sport? Number 4, most football games last for about 90 minutes. Do you know how long a basketball game usually lasts? Can a tennis game last longer than 3 hours? Number 5, football and field hockey are similar in some ways. For example, both sports use a ball and both are outdoor sports. Think of 2 other sports. How are they similar? So these were the questions that you should answer it with yourself. Try to read those questions and answer it for yourself. Number B, read the sentence below and circle true or false in the My Guess column. Then look quickly over the article on page 3 for the same information and circle the answer from the reading. these are the sentence in this box. First, you should guess, like you read the sentence, like number one. Football is the most popular sport in the world. So, if I guess that it's true or false, like I guess it's true, so I just circle the true. And after you read the reading on the page 3, so then you are answering from the reading. Reading passage. So this is the reading for today, and I'm going to highlight the difficult word or the new words for you guys. And after that, you should highlight those words that you don't know, and you can ask me as well. You can search in dictionary as well, and we have audio now, so let's.
The most popular sports in the world.
What are the 5 most popular sports in the world? Some of the answers may surprise you. 1. Football, soccer in the U.S., is the world's most popular sport. Today, about 3.5 billion people watch or play football. Football is popular in Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, North America, almost everywhere. Fun fact: in a professional football game, players run about 5 miles, 8 kilometers. 2. The world's number 2 sport is cricket. Cricket is originally from the UK, but today it is also popular in Australia, New Zealand, some African countries, and some Caribbean countries. In India and Pakistan, cricket is more popular than football. About 3 billion people around the world watch or play cricket each year. Fun fact: 400 million people, 40% of India's population, watch important cricket games on TV. 3. Field hockey is number 3. Approximately 2 billion people play or watch field hockey, mostly in Asia, Europe, Australia, and Africa. In the United States, field hockey is mainly for high school girls. Fun fact: field hockey is a very old sport. In Egypt, 4,000-year-old drawings show people playing field hockey. Of course, the rules of the game are different today. 4. Next is tennis. Today, there are roughly 1 billion players and spectators of tennis around the world. Tennis is originally from France, but today it is very popular in the United States, Asia, Australia, and Europe. Fun fact: the longest tennis game lasted 11 hours and 5 minutes. 5. Table tennis, ping pong, is popular around the world, with about 900 million players and spectators. Today, table tennis is especially popular in China, Korea, and Singapore. Fun fact: in table tennis, the ball can go more than 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. There are many popular sports around the world, but these are the top 5. What is similar about all of these sports? They're fun, they're fast, and they use a ball. Is that why the expression "have a ball" means have a lot of fun? Maybe,